Have you been wondering, what is this Fab Fit Fun? Well, I have some Fab Fit Fun Spring spoilers for you today. This video will give you a really good idea of what all the hype is about. I'm really excited about this box, and I will do a Fab Fit Fun unboxing in this video, and I'll show you everything inside the box. I went into a more detailed description of what Fab Fit Fun is and how it compares to other lifestyle box subscriptions in my winter 2018 unboxing. So if you want more details, then make sure to check out that video too. If you're new to Artsy Cupcake, welcome to my channel. I'm Maria, and I share helpful reviews, fashion lookbooks, home decor, and recipe videos. So if you like those types of things, please make sure to subscribe so you can be part of the Artsy Cupcake Crew. Today I wanted to share my unboxing of the Spring Fab Fit Fun box. If you aren't familiar with Fab Fit Fun, it's a quarterly style and beauty box. They have a really nice variety of items, and you end up paying a lot less than the value of all the items included in the box. The box goes for around $49, depending on what sales are going on and what coupons you have. And as you'll see, some of the items that I got go for more than $49, so there's quite a savings here. If you're an annual member, you get to pick some of the options of what they send you. And as I'm going through the items, I'll show you some of those options that I had. So let's get into what I got in this Spring Fab Fit Fun. The packaging is always so cute. They always do a different illustration, and this one has a little cactus theme. There are some coupons and a magazine with some great articles and all the details on the products that are in your FabFitFun box. This is the Sip by Swell stainless steel insulated water bottle. It goes for $19.99. I have never used this brand, and I love the bright green color. I did not get to choose the color, but I'm glad I got this cheerful green one. I will definitely use this, and I like that the opening is not too small, so it shouldn't be too hard to clean or to fill up. The other choices for this selection were the Ciate translucent setting powder and a necklace from the Two Bandits. I've used this brand before. This is the Dr. Brandt Skincare Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. That's a long name. It retails for $24, and it's supposed to visibly reduce the look of under eye bags and dark circles. We'll see about that. I have used the Dr. Brandt Pores No More line, and it works really well, so I am curious to try this one out. The next item was part of a custom choice between the Laredo Aromatic Mandarin Body Lotion and some rose gold measuring spoons. The third choice was a mystery choice, and since I already have measuring spoons and plenty of lotions to go through in my cabinets, I went with the mystery choice. It's a set of lip stain and lip gloss from the Duce brand. The color is in Dark Lust, and it's a medium pink shade with orange undertones. You put the stain on first, and then you finish with the gloss for a long wearing lip color. The packaging felt really nice on this one, just a really solid and good looking lip set. Another mystery item here, it is the Way Leave-In Conditioner, which retails for $26. I have mentioned before that I love when they include hair products in these boxes because I love trying out new hair products. This one is a multitasking leave-in conditioner, and it says it will smooth, soften, and detangle hair with moisturizing properties, and it even has heat protection. This is a really large bottle of face cleanser. This will last me a super long time. It is the Tula Purifying Face Cleanser, and it retails for $28. The packaging says it uses the power of probiotics to gently remove dirt, impurities, and makeup while leaving the skin balanced and clarified. I also had the choice between a skin brush and a jump rope. I went with the face cleanser because I know it's something that I can always use up, and it was also a brand that I hadn't tried before, so I'm really curious to try it out. This next item was a surprise. I am really happy with this because this charcoal body scrub smells so good and it feels really scrubby. I like when the little scrubby bits in there are really chunky, and even though it is made of charcoal, it smelled really good, almost like a fruity smell. It's called the Manna Kedar Champagne Charcoal Body Scrub, and it retails for $34.95. I got these black sunglasses from Quay called the My Girl sunglasses. It is nice that they came with a little carrying pouch. They retail for $55, and they have black hardware and metal accents, and an oversized cat eye frame. I had a choice between these and an aviator style. The other choices were a cute little picnic set and the Chorus Wild Rose Vitamin C Lotion. I liked how they had such a variety of items to choose from. This is the Doe Luxe Demi Backpack, and it retails for $75. I also had the choice of an aromatherapy diffuser and a floral robe. I absolutely love backpack purses and I can't have enough of them. So I got this one because I liked the neutral colors and it's a nice size. It has little snaps on the sides to tighten up the opening, and the straps are adjustable. It is canvas on the off-white parts, and the black areas look like they're leather, but it's not real leather. It's lightweight and it's super cute on. So that was everything in the Spring FabFitFun. I hope this got you excited to receive yours if you haven't already. And if you've never tried a FabFitFun, maybe this video piqued your interest a little. I have a coupon code in the description box below this video if you want to save a little money when you try it out for the first time. If you like this video, please leave a comment so I can get to know you. And if you aren't already part of the Artsy Cupcake Crew, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on the fun. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.